saw some pictures on Instagram of someone who had put Swarovski crystals all over one of the covers on their Rongrong planners. I could not wait to try this on one of my own planner covers. So in this video, we are going to bling out one of my Happy Planner notes from the Rongrong collection. Katie, welcome to the Planner Channel. In this video, we are going to do a DIY on this Happy Planner cover. This is one of the Rongrong Happy Planner covers, and it has little white dots on it. I'm thinking that these Swarovski crystals, these are, let me see what it's called. White opal in size 16SS. They're flat back Swarovski crystal gems. And I'm thinking those will look good on these white dots. This is the first time I've done this kind of DIY. I just a minute ago blinged out this pen case, fabric pen case. This is one of the Rongrong pen cases with some Swarovski crystals. I don't know if you can see that on there. And that was so much fun. Can you see the sparkle? That was fabric and things tend to stick really well. But this is that, you know, the covers are plastic and it's like a laminated plastic. It's very slick and I'm thinking that the crystals are not going to stick well. So I picked up at JoAnn's this amazing craft glues, a set of some different super glues to try. And I've heard that this E6000 is the way to go. So we're gonna test out the E6000 with these Swarovski crystals and see how it does. This part's kind of scary because I'm afraid these crystals are going to flick open and just go everywhere all over my house. So I'm sure the experienced DIYers know how to do this and have some good containers too. So the other thing when I go back to the store to get some more colors, I'm going to need to look into a good container for these tiny crystals. I don't know if you have used these Swarovskis before and have done this kind of craft, leave me a comment and let me know how you store them. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put them right in the middle. And then I'm thinking that the easiest way to do it will be to just put a drip of the glue on the dot and then place first you have to take your lid, flip it upside down, and then puncture that aluminum foil seal on your glue. Whoa, whoa, okay, it's open. It's open. All right, this one doesn't have that nice tip. That's one thing you're going to want. So this glue pack did not come with one of those really fine tips for placing the glue. This glue pen did. It has that tip on it. And I know you can purchase those oh, look, it's like completely exploding out of the container too. All right, let me just wipe that off. Maybe I can find a Q-tip or something, a toothpick to move some of that glue to where I want it to go. Where's the lid? All right, let me go see what I can find to use as a tool. And then now I need to add that to my shopping list as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so embarrassing, but sometimes you have to improvise. I'm using a toothpick because it has that sharp end and it's disposable. So that's gonna be my tool for placing this glue. So I just took that excess glue dot of that E6000 and placed on here. It looks like it's already drying. Hopefully, you know what, I'm gonna leave that alone and get some fresh because it's already kind of solidified. Let's see if I can just get a dot out of there, a fresh dot, and place it down. Let's get started. Maybe a little bit more. Wow, this stuff dries super fast. Okay, where's my other wand? I hope it dries really clear too, because I don't want to see that like splatter of glue underneath the crystal. I'm hoping that it's going to dry super clear. So that's another test that we're doing. And this Happy Planner cover came off of the Rongrong Happy Notes. There are several different designs of Happy Notes, and the Happy Notes covers are perfect for doing this kind of thing. I mean, you could do it on any of the covers, but another one, oops. Wow, this glue dries super fast. And without that applicator tip, it's hard to get it to drip in one spot. That's okay. This is going to be an experiment, and then we'll see how it goes and improve next time. Maybe we need bigger crystals, maybe we need different glue. Definitely need a better applicator. Whoa, and I don't want it to go other places. Yeah, it's not going where I want it to go. So a whole bunch came out to start with, and now I can't get any out of the container. All right, there are some. Wow, I thought 2 hands would be enough. I need like 4 hands to do this. See how that glue is kind of everywhere? I'd like it really all in one little dollop. Oh, I wonder if I need to press these down. I did press down the other ones on the fabric a little bit. I don't know if these need to be pressed down or not. That's going to be another test. Let's do 2 blobs this time. Whoa, when you get too much, it gets stringy. And you got that little string everywhere. Glue string. That one has way too much glue. Okay, I think it'll still look good from far away. Oh my gosh, I still love it. It looks so cool. I wonder if I do it like this. We're gonna try one more experiment. If I just put it directly on from there, let's see how that does. That's actually better. If I can get it in the middle of the dot. Whoa. Let's put some there and then a dot here. So that applicator tip for the glue is going to be a key. Let's flip this over and do some of these. Oh, I need one more there and there, it looks like. What do you think? Can we see the sparkles? No, these aren't quite as shiny because they're like an opal. You can really see where I got the glue everywhere. I'm wondering if that'll come off if I kind of clean it off later once this dries, All right, I'm gonna leave this overnight and we'll check it out tomorrow and see how well these stuck on. Subscribe to learn how to use your daily planner to get organized, stay focused on your goals, and create a powerful plan for your life. Click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan checklist. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.